All right, today we're going to bring an extension cord, a long extension cord. These are 65 feet. It's a mounted version of it, and here's the actual mount that you need to mount behind any kind of wall structure. This could be, it's very heavy, so you're going to need some heavy duty bolts. You can do it on concrete if you have a concrete wall, or if you want wood, you can actually set it up on wood too. And they give you all the screws, including the instructions. And of course, this is going to be a three-way connection with the 3-point connections, if you guys can see that. Very simple. So you pull it towards you, and if you want to put it back, all you have to pull it back a little, tug a little bit. So once you pull it, it's going to go back into the same system. So no tangle free, and you don't have to worry about, you know, tripping yourself with the actual cables like I'm doing right now currently with all these cables around. One connection, that's pretty much it. They give you for 3. So we're going to mount it today and see how it works. Now we're gonna put it together because you could move it left or right once it's up. So just make sure you level this before you mount it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's take a look at the actual system itself. It tells you right here 125 volts, all right, and 60 hertz, 15 amps. All right, now we have the 3 connections. If you guys can see, there's a 3 light connection on. This swivels either to the left, if you can see the power on, or to the right. Very simple, so you can move it anywhere you want. Also, it comes with an extra safety screw here, if you guys can see that, just in case, you know, you don't want to pull this out by accident or fall on anybody's head or anything like that. So the swivel's pretty good. Now this one was really long way, so when I'm talking about when you want to use it, you just click on it and see how it goes. All you got to do is pretty much just push it back a little bit once, and it wraps itself up. Very simple. All right, so we have the extension cord that stretches 65 feet, and if you guys can see it, it's way back there. I'm gonna take you guys how to do this. All right, so all you got to do is just pull it just a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys because it's too much slack. I did it. So pull a little bit, just a little bit, and then you could let it go. So I'm gonna let it go here so you guys can see it, and it's gonna go back by itself without the dog stopping it. And there it goes. So we're gonna walk to it to see how it works. So here it is, guys. It's up to here. Fit very well. I don't get entanglements. It's very simple to install, very easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.